التوحيد مكية بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. I seek shelter in Allah from the rejected shaitan in the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent. Say, He is Allah, the one and only, Allah the self-sufficient. He begets not, nor was He begotten, and there is none like Him. Amantu billah.